Hello there. We are continuing our series on how to make big profits with Georgia tax sales to help acquire properties at a fraction of market value or earn up to 20% return. Make sure to check out the introductory video on tax deeds in Georgia. In this episode, we will focus on DeKalb County, Georgia, a vibrant location with immense potential for investors seeking high returns. We are excited to explore this area and share our insights on how to make the most of your investments here. Why is DeKalb County, Georgia a prime location for both property investment and tax deed investing? DeKalb County stands out as an investment haven with its strong economic growth and diverse property market. With a population of about 750,000 across 270 square miles, it's not just the size, but the vibrancy and variety that make it special. The county combines cultural richness, from parks to museums, with solid economic health, evidenced by a 2.9% job growth rate and a lower than average unemployment rate of 4.8%. How does tax deed sale work in DeKalb County, Georgia? Tax sales are generally held from April through December, scheduled on the first Tuesday of each month. These sales are advertised in the Champion newspaper once a week for 4 weeks before the sale. The bidding starts with the total of taxes and costs on each parcel, and the property is sold to the highest bidder. If there are no bidders, the county may bid an amount equal to the starting bid. The successful bidder receives a tax deed, but does not have immediate control over the property. In many jurisdictions in Georgia, including DeKalb County, after a property is sold at a tax sale, the original owner, or anyone with a legal interest in the property, has a redemption period, typically 1 year, during which they can reclaim the property by paying the redemption price. Once this 1 year period has elapsed, the buyer of the tax deed, the investor who won the property at the tax sale, has the option to start legal proceedings to bar or foreclose the right of redemption. This means the buyer can take legal action to prevent the original owner from reclaiming the property after the redemption period has ended. By doing this, the buyer seeks to remove any remaining redemption rights and secure a clear title to the property. This process involves serving legal notice to the original owner and any other parties with an interest in the property, and sometimes it requires further legal action. The goal is to ensure that the investor can take full ownership of the property without the risk of the original owner reclaiming it. Before we continue, if you're here and you're new to the channel, I want to introduce myself. My name's Dustin Hahn, and I've been doing tax liens and deeds now for over 20 years, and this channel is here to help you as a new investor learn how to make anywhere between 8 to 36% with tax lien certificates and buy tax deed property for up to 95% below market value. So if you like this information, hit the thumbs up on this video, helps the channel, and make sure to subscribe so you can be up to date on all the latest trainings. And just for tuning in the bio and the link below, I have a totally free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. It's going to show you how to get started here today. It's 100% free. It's my gift for you for saying thanks for tuning in. All right, back to the show. What happens if the property is redeemed? The original owner or other interested parties have the opportunity to redeem the property within a 1 year window by paying the redemption price. This price includes the original sale amount, any additional taxes the buyer has paid, plus a 20% premium for the first year. This premium increases by 10% for each additional year. So, even if you don't ultimately gain ownership of the property, this arrangement can still yield a significant return on your investment. To get started with DeKalb County, Georgia tax deed investing, go to the county's website page and locate Government. Then go to Tax Commissioner. Once you're on the Tax Commissioner's page, navigate to the Delinquent Tax tab. A number of options will appear, including Tax Sales General Information. Click on this link to access a comprehensive guide to tax sales in DeKalb County, complete with all the details you'll need to get started. Today's pro tip: if you purchase a property that has a redemption period, you will receive a defeasible title. Investors can benefit from purchasing properties with redemption periods because even if the original owner does not redeem the property, the investor can still make a profit by selling it after January 1st of the following year. This means that by purchasing a property with a redemption period, investors have the potential to make a profit without having to wait for the property to be redeemed. However, it is important to note that investors will be responsible for the property taxes from the year it was sold and any subsequent years until it is redeemed. Therefore, it is crucial for investors to do their due diligence and research the tax information for the current and previous year on the DeKalb County Tax Commissioner's website. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. If you like this content, please go ahead, hit the thumbs up on this video. It helps others see this content as well. Make sure to subscribe so you can be up to date on all the latest trainings. From there, make sure to grab a copy of the free mini course below. You'll be off to the races. And there's a link below as well if you want to book a call with us and ask some questions. Until next time, we'll see you soon.